Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about the video collaboration process, and we'll first look at some of the business pain points, then about the collaboration process, and then we'll see what are the business benefits of having a collaboration process in place. So let's first start with some of the business pain points related to the purchase order lifecycle. In some cases, or in most of the cases, there are several documents that get generated during the PO cycle. Some of them are like inbound delivery, advance ship notification. So these documents need to be tracked by buyers to know the exact status of their purchase order with the suppliers. So sometimes tracking this can involve a lot of manual effort, making different phone calls, and that can be a time-taking activity. So all such pains can be taken care of if we have a online collaboration process and tools available with us. So a typical purchase order collaboration process starts with creating a purchase order by buyer in his ERP system. That purchase order then flows across to the collaboration tool, which is where the supplier can log in and then find out that a new purchase order has come. He confirms the quantity and date in the collaboration tool, and that confirmation goes across to buyer CRP system to create a line item in purchase order, which is where buyer can now see that yes, there is a confirmation that has come across. Once the good is ready for dispatch, supplier creates an advance ship notification in the collaboration tool, and then that goes across to buyer. Once the reaches the buyer's premise, the physical good receipt happen, and then a proof of delivery comes back to the collaboration tool, which is where supplier knows that the goods have been delivered to the buyer. As a next step, supplier creates an invoice in the collaboration tool, which then flows across to buyer CRP, and then a payment advice is generated after the right approval of the invoice. So in this process of PO and the life cycle of PO, we we can observe that there are different documents being created by different parties, and that has to go to the other party to have an efficient delivery of goods. So if there is a collaboration tool, it becomes very easy to track, trace, and have a right kind of visibility about all the documents that are getting generated and being transmitted to the partners. So some of the business benefit that comes with this collaboration process involves the tracking and traceability of documents to buyer, and hence they don't have to make several phone calls now, and hence buyers now can save a lot of time in doing something else, which is more of a value add to them. For supplier, they are now confident that whatever activities they are doing at their end goes in real time to the buyers. Customers is always updated about what supplier is doing and what is the next action happening on their PO, and hence customers are really happy that things are moving without for them to make an effort to know what is the status of my PO. So I think we hope that we are now able to understand what is a PO collaboration process and how a collaboration tool can enhance the experience of all the partners involved in this process.